Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming GTA is updated and you're in the correct mode. Once done, place your MP4 or MP3 files into the game's media folder or attach a USB device recognized by the platform. Now open the interaction menu, navigate to Media Player, and select Local Files. This immediately exposes playable content. Make sure to grant permissions if prompted. You'll see thumbnails or list view. Pick a file to cue playback and set initial volume before moving to advanced controls. You'll now fine-tune playback. Use play, pause, and seek to jump. Use loop or set start/end markers for repeat segments. Once you select a track, adjust volume and choose EQ presets to match ambience, rock, voice, or flat. If available, enable spatial audio so sound positions correctly in multiplayer. To organize, create a playlist. Add files, reorder using drag or the up/down commands, and save the list under a custom name. These steps keep sessions smooth and repeatable. You complete the process by saving playlists and exporting settings if the feature exists. This prevents redoing work. In multiplayer, have the host control sync so everyone hears identical playback. Use the host's media player sync option. If playback fails, verify file compatibility. Use MP4/MP3, confirm permissions and that audio isn't muted in the game mixer, and restart the media player. One key troubleshooting tip: convert problematic files to a standard MP4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.